Hi guys, this is Carol coming with a DIY challenge hosted by Miss Lacey Space. Um, the challenge is DIY drifted cake stand challenge. Um, we are asked to go to the thrift store to get the cake stand and the candlestick to make it. This is my two pieces, guys. This I got from St. Vincent de Paul for $2. It's very pretty and big and heavy. And this I think I got it for 50 cents. I couldn't get something taller which is heavy enough because this is pretty heavy. So I'm gonna use those two for my cake stand. Guys, it's I just had to wash it over and stuff, so it will be oops, it will look like this. Uh, It won't be too tall, but this is my kickstand and I love it. I love it because I know it won't be, it could take enough weight and everything will be fine with it. Thank you to Lacey Space for hosting this challenge, and thank you for everyone who taking part. Guys, I'm sure she have a playlist so you guys could go see and enjoy. Thank you so much. Bye.